How to email customers on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to email customers on Shopify. So let's get started. Once you have a business on Shopify, you will need to send different email to your customers. For example, a confirmation email. Then we can also send an invoice. So all these type of email are actually created within Shopify. So you can either use that or you can add an integration if you want to create more professional email campaigns. So let me show you where you will be able to find all of the different emails within Shopify. You need to go to your settings. In settings, scroll down to notifications. And here we have, you can see, manage SMS notification, and then we have orders. So these are different emails that are available, such as order confirmation, order edited, order invoice, order cancelled, order refund, then we have checkouts and others. So these are the different emails that are created within our Shopify, and we can also get a preview. For example, let me show you how it looks when you send a confirmation email with Shopify. So you can see it's coding. So you just simply enter the name, click on preview, and this is what the email looks like. You can see it's an order confirmation email, and we can just send this to our order to our customer with our confirmation. These are all available within Shopify and then come with your plan. But if you want to add an integration such as MailChimp, SendGrid, and Klaviyo, then you can go to the Shopify App Store and search for email. And you can see that there are a lot of different integrations available. We have Omnisend, Klaviyo, there is Automize, then there is MailChimp, Preview, Made. So all of the famous email marketing platforms are available to add to Shopify. So you can just select one and then click on add and add it to your Shopify to send professional email. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.